How do I apply effects to my scene within After Effects? Well, it's fairly straightforward. All you really have to do is come over to the Effects and Presets panel and just simply type in whatever you're looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and look for the Mosaic effect. So I'm going to type in Mosaic. Oh, there it is right there at the bottom under Stylize. And simply drag and drop the effect that you want to apply to your scene on top of your object. So, boom, there we go. I've got the Mosaic effect applied. Now keep in mind this does not apply to every single special effect within After Effects. I'm going to go ahead and right click on my my layer, go to Effect, I'm going to hit Remove All, so now all the layers, or excuse me, all the effects are gone. So now if I jump up here, and let's say I want to have lightning shooting out of this ray here, like say it turned into a ray gun now. So I'm going to type in lightning, and if I can spell it correctly, there we go. And I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to look for Advanced Lightning. Now watch what happens. I'm going to drag this lightning right on top of my dish here, but boom, it goes, I get a lightning bolt, but my dish went away. Well, what happened? Well, what happened was that After Effects says, okay, well, here's your effect, but I have to use it because there's transparencies on it, so everything around it has pretty much disappeared. So what you're going to have to do is have another layer applied to your composition so that you can use this effect. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Control-Z to undo. I'm going to right-click, go to New, and now I'm going to go up here to a new solid. Now you can choose any color you like down here in the color picker. I'm going to go ahead and choose black, hit OK, and I'm going to make all of this just pretty much by default. Click OK. Now you'll notice that the black solid comes in right above your dish. So now you can't see anything because the black solid's covering it up. So if we grab the Advanced Lightning now and put it on there, boom, now we have lightning coming out of the sky, and we can just manipulate this lightning wherever we want it to, and we have lightning shooting out of our radar dish or going into it, whatever we choose. And that's pretty much how you apply effects to your scene within After Effects.